The Suzuki Raider 150 FI, or commonly known as Suzuki Satria 150 FI, is sold with preloaded accessories in Vietnam market by motorcycle dealers. The accessories includes Racing Boy brands. The preloaded installed accessories are Racing Boy brake and clutch levers, Racing Boy light and chain cover, monoshock gas rear suspensions, titanium grille cover for top fairing protection. Motorcycle dealers also sold the Suzuki Satria 150 FI in different colors like chameleon color and different decal designs. The only modified in motorcycle units are the outside parts. The engine of the Satria 150 FI is still in stock factory configurations. The Raider R150 FI or Satria 150 FI is considered as Suzuki's premium motorcycle in the small bike category, because it is the most powerful and fuel-efficient 150 cubic centimeters underbone motorcycle in the country, promising a maximum power output of 18.36 HP at 10,000 RPM and torque of 13.8 Nm at 8,500 RPM, in a lightweight and sleek styling. This upgraded versions of the bike are limited to sold only in Vietnam market, but if you have a Suzuki Raider 150 FI, you can use this video as reference for your upgrading project. You can install RCB accessories just like what the Vietnam dealers installed on their bikes. The Raider R150 FI is powered with a 150 cubic centimeters DOHC engine, 4-valve with 6-speed transmission. It is liquid-cooled and sports a full LCD instrument panel reminiscent of the one on the Suzuki GSX S1000 big bike, giving it a premium feel. It also boasts of a key shutter, tubeless tire, wavy disc brakes and a mini storage space. Do you love motorcycle information videos like this? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.